Hey y'all, it's Rain. I'm here at Privileged Boutique. I'm about to, do my thing with some models. Kiki and Diamond, they coming from Harlem right now. Harlem. And I'm here with Reds. I'm here with Reds.
Reds is not here right now.
Say hi, Reds.
Hi, Reds.
Hi, I'm Diamond, the Kiss by Rain model. You see my shirt, Happy Kiss. Yes, we was here. We did a little pre-screening for Rain at the store Privileged. Nice store, so clothes. Kiss by Rain will be there, yes.
Who are you?
Kiki Michelle, also a Kiss by Rain model. Gift bags. Fashion Week show coming up September 4th. Clear your dates, make sure you're there. That's it. September 14th is the show, Kiss by Rain.
Y'all see the drink. That's why,
You know, it's the Ciroc. Diddy, shout out to you. I am Diddy.